Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a brand new smartwatch to show you all. It's from a quite popular brand known as TicWatch, and the brand has recently launched a brand new affordable smartwatch called the GTX, and today I'll be unboxing and giving my review on the product. Guys, usually TicWatch smartwatches are like pretty expensive, almost on par with Honor and Samsung watches, and this is the first time they've actually made something around 5000 rupees. So I'm quite excited to see what the brand is actually offering at this price point. So the new TicWatch GTX comes in this sort of box packaging. We've got some of its features mentioned at the backside. Let me show you. The watch offers 7 to 10 day battery life, it's IP68 waterproof, offers customizable watch faces, has sleep tracking, supports 14 activity tracking modes, has a complete metal frame and also offers music controls. So those were some of its highlights. That's it, there is nothing much written on the box, so let's get started with the unboxing. The outer cover slides out like this and we've got a plain black box over here with nothing written on it. So let's just open it and finally check out the product. So here it is guys, our new smartwatch from the brand, the TicWatch GTX. It's available only in one color which is standard black and looks quite premium from my first look. We'll just come back to the watch in a moment. First let's see what else we got in the package. There's an accessory box over here which includes a magnetic pogo pin cable for charging and a user manual. Make sure to read that for all the info. So that is it. Now let's finally check out the watch. Here you go. This is how the TicWatch GTX looks like. From my first impressions, the watch actually looks quite attractive with a premium metal design and feels solid in the hand. Looks like there's a sticker on top of the display. Let me peel it off. There you go. So the GTX has a metal bezel and is pretty decent in size, perfect for teenagers and also looks good even if you have large hands. Talking about the design, it's got a sporty look and feel with the minute markings all over the bezel and has a circular watch dial. If you talk about the display, the watch comes with a 1.28-inch TFT display with a resolution of 240 by 240. I have to tell you the build quality of the watch is top notch. It's got a premium metal casing and even the bezel is made of metal. Going to the right, it's got two buttons over here. The top one is a menu/app button, while the bottom one toggles the activity tracking mode. The quality of the buttons is also good, feel tactile and clicky. Now going to the backside, this is how it looks like. As mentioned before, the TicWatch GTX is IP68 fully water resistant, has a heart rate sensor at the center and some charging contacts at the top. And talking about the straps, quality of the straps are good, they feel flexible and durable, and the good thing is the straps on the watch are also replaceable. Well, that's it, that was our complete overview on the design and the build quality. So what I'll do is I'll power it on, set it up, use it for a few days and be right back to continue the video. Alright guys, so I'm back. I've been using TicWatch's brand new GTX smartwatch since quite some time, and today in this video I'll be sharing my complete experience and feedback about this watch. I actually have some mixed feelings about the product. I'll tell you why and what exactly once we start with the review and proceed further in the video. So we've already discussed about the design and the build quality during the unboxing part, right? So now I'll directly jump into the display section. We'll talk about the screen quality and then I'll show you how the UI on the watch looks like and basically all the apps and features present on this watch. So first let me tell you about the display guys. As I mentioned before, the TicWatch GTX comes with a 1.28-inch TFT touch display, and to be honest guys, I felt the display on this watch to be just good, like decently good, because this is not the best display I've seen on a smartwatch around this price range. See, this is not that affordable budget category watch also, right? It's like a mid-range watch and I thought the display would be like a lot better. So this is how the home screen and display on it looks like. See, there's good amount of detail. You can easily read all the text on it, your call notifications, messages, everything is fine. It's got a resolution of 240 by 240 as I mentioned earlier, and coming to the colors were fine, but again not as rich and vibrant as we see usually on IPS and AMOLED smartwatches. And coming to the brightness, see, while I was using the watch in indoor conditions inside my house, I had no issues, the display brightness was perfectly fine, but when I was using the watch for my outdoor activities and especially under direct sunlight, I felt the display was not that easily visible guys. So that is one thing you'll have to keep in mind. And keeping that aside, you definitely have that raise to wake gesture on the watch. It's a bit slow but definitely works, and there is no always on display on it. So that is also one more thing you'll have to keep in mind. So that was about the display part, guys. So coming to the home screen, this is the default watch face on the TicWatch GTX. And coming to the watch faces, the watch has around like 5 to 6 onboard watch faces, guys, and you can easily change them from the home screen itself. There's something I have to tell you about the watch faces. We'll just come back to this at a later part in the video. So moving forward, I'll just show you the UI and all the apps and features present on the watch. So by swiping down on the home screen, you can access the quick settings and status panel. Over here you can check out all the battery information, the Bluetooth connected status, date and time. You got some quick toggles also, like there's one for DND mode, battery saver is there. Then you can set the phone vibration alert also, and a direct shortcut to settings app, guys. From the settings here you can adjust the display brightness, you've got the reset, power off and about watch section. That's it, there is nothing else in the settings. So that was about the status bar and all that. By swiping left and right side, you can access the quick shortcuts that you set on the watch, guys. You've got around like 5 to 6 shortcuts, and by swiping up on the home screen you can access the notifications panel. Here you can check out all your social media messages, your call notifications and all the basic notifications that you've got on your phone. But again, for this you'll have to keep in mind that you'll have to keep the watch connected with your phone with the Bluetooth on, then only you will be able to get them. So that was about the notifications panel. So let's just check out all the built-in shortcuts, apps and everything present on the left and right of the watch. First thing you'll notice over here is a fitness summary, guys. The first page shows you the number of steps you've taken, the distance traveled and calories burned. It gives you like a circular graph where you can keep a track on your fitness activity. So that was about the fitness section. Now going next, you've got the exercise / workout activity tab. We'll come to this also in a moment. The watch has around like 14 workout activities on it. And going next, you've got the weather page where it gives you a complete weather analysis for the next 3 days. And then we've got some useful utility functions, like there's timer function, and we also have stopwatch on this watch, so pretty handy stuff. And the watch is capable of measuring your sleep quality also, guys. It's got sleep analysis, so it completely tracks how you're sleeping and gives you a complete analysis on your phone app. This keeps updating every day and you'll get a complete summary on the phone app. Then you've got the heart rate monitoring app, guys, and as soon as you open it, the watch starts measuring your heart rate. So that's it. These are all the quick access widgets on the home screen, and if you want to access the complete list of apps and features present on the watch, then you can easily do that by pressing this up button on the watch, guys. Simply press that up button and you'll get a complete list of all the apps and features on it. First thing you've got is a notification section, which is basically the same thing that I've shown you earlier. Then you've got tick exercise, the same thing, outdoor activity tracking stuff. Then we've got tick pulse, which is nothing but heart rate measurement app. Tick sleep, which is sleep monitoring function. Tick health, which is nothing but your fitness related summary for your particular day. I've shown you that also just now. Then we've got music control, so using this you can control the music playing on your phone. Then we've got the other utilities like stopwatch, timer, weather, and flashlight is also there. Then we've got find my phone feature, and lastly settings. So that's it, guys. These were the basic functions present on the watch. Apart from this, there is no special app or feature available on it. So these are all the stuff present on the watch. And if you want to access the outdoor activity tracking, you got a shortcut as well. By pressing this bottom button, you can directly access the activity tracking feature. As mentioned earlier, the watch supports up to like 14 activity tracking, which include like outdoor running, outdoor cycling, jump rope, swimming. Swimming is also there. It's fully IP68 water resistant, right? So it's also swim proof. You can easily track swimming activity as well, and a lot of stuff. Now the main thing I have to tell you over here is this watch doesn't have built-in GPS, guys. So for the activity tracking function to work properly, you'll have to carry your phone also along with you. So when you turn it on, this watch will record all your fitness related activity data, like the number of steps taken, distance traveled, calories burned, and the complete location information as well. Well, that was our complete overview on the UI and the built-in apps and features present on the watch. And if you talk about the usual day-to-day performance, see, the overall UI is pretty fine. I didn't face any lags or stutters. But again, one thing you'll have to keep in mind is the watch didn't have 60 FPS interface and UI navigation. So that means you'll have slight stutters while you're moving here and there during navigation part. So that is one thing. And now moving on, let me tell you about the heart rate measurement and all that stuff. Heart rate measurement tab can be easily accessed either from the menu or from the quick access widget as well, and as soon as you open it, the watch automatically starts measuring your heart rate. So the TicWatch GTX has 24/7 continuous heart rate measurement, and the heart rate sensor was actually doing a pretty good job. The function was working well and was giving accurate results almost 95% of the time. I had no issues over here. And one thing I felt the watch was lacking was SpO2 measurement, blood oxygen level measurement. If that was also there, it would have been like very nice feature on the watch. So that's it about the heart rate. And if you ask about the call and message notifications, yes, the watch supports them also. For that, you'll need to keep the watch connected to your phone via Bluetooth, and as soon as you get a message or call, the watch starts vibrating and shows you, it displays the name of the person and also the content of the message, that whatever you got on the phone. And talking about the call notifications, whenever you get a call on your phone, the watch starts vibrating and shows you the name of the person calling you. You can only either dismiss the notification or end the call. There is no option to answer and talk from the watch itself because there is no microphone on this watch. Okay guys, so we are almost coming to an end. Now let me tell you about the battery life. The watch comes with a built-in 200 mAh battery, and on an average, day-to-day kind of usage where the watch is being connected to the phone most of the time via Bluetooth, getting all the message and call notification alerts and doing slight workout activities like every alternate day, I was getting around like 7 days of battery life. And if you don't use a watch like that and use it just like a normal watch with all the smart features turned off and very less workout activity tracking session, then you can easily expect around like 10 to 11 days of battery life. Wait a second, I totally forgot to show you the phone app. For this, you'll need to install an app called as Mobvoi, and from there you can access all the extra smart features that you can enable on the watch. So on the home screen, you can keep a track on your fitness related activities. It gives you a complete summary of all your fitness related data like the number of steps taken, distance traveled, heart rate, sleep tracking, and all that stuff for a complete weekly analysis, guys. You can keep a complete track using the app. And not only that, you can even apply custom watch faces from the app. But for some reason, the custom watch faces were not working, guys. Like as soon as I load up the watch face store, it does show me a couple of watch faces that I can apply on the watch. But no matter how many times I tried to download a watch face and apply it on the watch, it was not working. I was getting some server download error and I could never download a custom watch face on it, guys. So because of that, you're only limited to like 4 to 5 watch faces on it. But keeping that aside, you do have customizable watch face support. So you can take some picture from your gallery and apply that as a watch face on the watch. So that was working without any problems. You can see I've applied this watch. But here also I would give a suggestion to the brand. It would be very nice if you can adjust the position of the clock from the app, guys. That would have been a very handy feature. So I would request the company to sort out this download server issue so people can actually download more watch faces. So that was about the app, guys. There is nothing much else over here. So yeah, that is pretty much it. That was my review and unboxing on TicWatch GTX Smartwatch. As I've told you guys, it's a very nice looking watch. It's got premium looks, very nice build quality. It's IP68 waterproof also. But the only thing is the display quality could have been better. See, I've seen better displays on smartwatches around the same price or even less price than that. So I felt the display quality could have been better. And again, you've got the watch face issue going on in the app. So that also needs to be sorted by the company. And along with that, there is SpO2 blood oxygen feature missing. So that would have been a nice addition. And talking about the battery life was decent. And lastly, I felt the price of this watch is a bit on the expensive side. It costs around like 5,200 rupees on Amazon India. For that price, the brand should have given a bit more features or the price should have been a bit lower. Well, that is it, guys. This is my review on the TicWatch GTX. So I'll just leave a link to this product in the description box below. You can check it out there. I hope you all enjoyed this video and got to check out this brand new watch. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.